Hi everyone! With the holidays creeping up on us, I wanted to share with you one of my favorite sides, roasted butternut squash with chipotle sour cream. Why eat the same old sides for the holidays when you can spice it up with this butternut squash recipe? It's sweet, spicy, and with the fresh lime it's just over the top. This is a really simple dish to make that's packed with flavor. Now let's get started. The first thing we need to do is cut our squash in half. These are really hard, so just be careful when you're using your knife. Now we just need to scoop out all the seeds. Before we put it in the oven, we just want to rub some olive oil on it. Now we need to sprinkle some sugar on top of the squash. Season with kosher salt. Then we need to put it in a 375-degree oven for about an hour. To make our sauce, we're going to start by chopping one chipotle pepper. You can chop this as fine as you want, or you can just use a fork to smash it. As always, I'll leave a full recipe in the info box. Now we can add our sour cream and the zest from one whole lime. Add our salt and our sugar. And our black pepper. And then we just need to mix everything up until it's well incorporated. And then pick some cilantro leaves for garnish. I'm using a skewer to see if the squash is cooked. If it goes in fairly easily, it's ready. This is still a little hard, so it needs to cook a little longer. The squash is nice and golden brown and the skewer goes in, but it still has a little resistance. This is how I like my squash. It's fully cooked and soft, but still holds its shape. If you like it softer, you can just cook it for a few more minutes. Now let's finish our squash. I like to squeeze a lot of lime on this. I just think that it adds a lot of flavor to it. The acidity balances with the sweetness of the squash. Then add the chipotle sour cream. Sprinkle some toasted pumpkin seeds. And then put on the cilantro. Thanks for watching my video on how to make this delicious roasted butternut squash with chipotle sour cream. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And leave me a comment and let me know what your favorite holiday sides are. See you next time.